Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey into the future of digital finance. Welcome to SwedCoin. If you're someone who believes in innovation, security, and purpose-driven technology, this is a story you'll want to listen to. A quick reminder before anything else. This is not a financial video and I am not a professional advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions. Let's dive in. At its core, SwedCoin isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's built by the Swedish Trust KB, regulated under the Stockholm County Supervisory Authority, giving it a strong foundation of transparency and credibility. What is the mission? To revolutionize how assets, trust, and wealth are managed by putting trust deeds on the blockchain, simplifying complexity, and opening a new era of decentralized asset protection. Imagine a future where setting up a legal trust doesn't require mountains of paperwork, lawyers, or months of waiting, but can be done seamlessly, securely via digital steps. Let's break down what makes SwedCoin appealing and powerful. First, regulation and transparency. Because SwedCoin is anchored to a regulated entity, users gain confidence knowing oversight and compliance are present. Next is limited supply and scarcity. SwedCoin has a total maximum supply of 200 million tokens. Scarcity backed into its design to support value potential. Another one is blockchain native trust deeds. One of its most unique value propositions, trust deeds, estate planning, asset control, all managed via blockchain. This removes friction, paperwork, and intermediaries. Broad ecosystem tools. Alongside the token, SwedCoin is part of the Swedish Trust platform, which includes features like Swed Exchange, a value prediction index, Swed Sim trading simulator, and Swed learning educational modules. Speed, efficiency, and cost savings. Because operations are digital and blockchain-based, processes becomes faster, more efficient, and significantly lower in administrative costs. What does this mean for real people? First, estate and inheritance planning. Families can set up trust deeds that automatically execute according to predefined conditions. This ensures heirs receive assets smoothly without legal bottlenecks. Asset protection and security, valuable property. Real estate investments. SwedCoin ensures they're managed via immutable tamper-proof blockchain records. Another one is global and borderless access. Because the system is digital and decentralized, users from anywhere can participate, transfer, or manage their trusts across jurisdictions. Transparency and auditability. Every transaction, every deed is verifiable on-chain. Users, beneficiaries, auditors, everyone sees the trail. Education and growth. With Swed learning and simulations tools, even newcomers to crypto or trusts can gain knowledge, reduce risk, and build confidence. SwedCoin has already gained momentum. The ICO has reportedly sold about 28% of its allocation, indicating early investor interests. Platforms like scam advisors rate SwedCoin.io as legit and safe to access, highlighting valid SSL, established domain age, and no malware flags. Press releases emphasizes that thousands of clients and hundreds of thousands of invested capital are already interacting with the platform. The project is carving a niche in trust deeds on-chain, an angle rarely explored by other crypto projects. While no project is without risk, SwedCoin's foundation, regulatory alignment, and early traction makes it a promising proposition. Of course, any new technology carries uncertainty. Here's how SwedCoin approaches it. First, due diligence and courage. The team encourages users to explore, ask questions, verify white papers, verify regulatory credentials. Next is transparency and auditability. Everything is auditable on-chain, which discourages hidden manipulations. Another one is phased rollouts and testing. The project architecture is modular. New features and upgrades are tested progressively to minimize risks. Focus on education. Through Swed Learning, users can better understand risks, rewards, and technical aspects. By being aware, informed, and cautious, users can participate with confidence. Ready to explore? Go to www.SwedCoin.io and review the white paper, roadmap, and team. Dive into the platform or register to access community updates, tools, and educational modules. Another one is consider participating in the ICO while it's still open, secure your tokens early, and engage in community forums. Follow project updates and watch for new features. By taking the first step, you become part of a movement aiming to fuse legacy trust systems with cutting-edge blockchain technology. SwedCoin is more than just a digital token. It's a bridge between the traditional world of trusts and the future of decentralized finance. It embodies transparency, security, innovation, and empowerment. If you believe in a future where wealth and legacy are protected, where bureaucracy fades, and where technology empowers, SwedCoin is a beacon pointing that way. Visit www.swedcoin.io today and see how you can take part in shaping tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated. Your future could start here.